I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by locking the essentials, clarify the business purpose and the one primary customer need you solve. Once done, register the entity and obtain an EIN so finances and contracts are clean. Open a dedicated bank account and separate personal funds immediately. Then create a basic accounting ledger, date, description, amount, and log every transaction. This first sequence protects you legally and gives cash flow visibility. Make sure to schedule a weekly 30-minute review to keep momentum and correct errors early. You now scale from basics to reliable systems. Start by mapping the core workflows, sales to delivery to support, and note the 3 critical handoffs that most affect customer experience. Once mapped, automate repetitive tasks, email templates, invoicing, and a lightweight CRM to reduce time spent by roughly 30%. Then document standard operating procedures with one-page guides for each critical role and enable version control, so changes are auditable. Make sure to run a test order and iterate until you finish by measuring and protecting what you built. Set 3 KPIs, revenue, conversion percentage, and fulfillment time, and review them weekly to catch drift. Once stable, scale using controlled experiments. Change one variable at a time and measure results over 2 to 4 weeks before adopting. If performance drops, troubleshoot quickly, isolate the root cause, roll back the last change, and communicate what happened to your team. This keeps risk low and learning fast, so your business stays organized and resilient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.